Welcome. Today we have a 1x4 size ratchet toolbox from Stanley. Let's see what we got inside. All the keys and screwdrivers are for the ratchet. First we have got hex keys, 6 numbers from sizes 4 to 8, and then we got star screwdrivers, 7 numbers, sizes from 5, 10 up to 40, and then we got 3 number of plus screwdrivers. Then we got another 3 number of plus screwdrivers. Then we got another 3 number of flat screwdrivers, sizes from 4 to 7. Then we got the ratchet handle, 1x4 size. Then we have got here one small size extension bar for 1x4. Then another extension bar of same size, and then we have got one number of flexible extension bar for the same size. Then we have 3 number of hex keys, and then we have one angle extension for 1x4 size. Then we have the sockets from sizes 14 all the way to 4 mm. There are 2 more sizes, 5.5 mm and 4.5 mm, and this is quite value for money. You can go for it. Quality is very good. That's all. Thank you.